Hello students, welcome to our Asian International School online tutorial classes. This is your fourth class on the chapter number system, and today we are going to learn a new kind of sum and also some objective sums. Before going to the big sum, let's start some objective sums. So question number 1 saying that classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. That means we have to judge whether these numbers are a rational or irrational numbers. So first one is 2 minus root 5. Now 2 is a integer. It is a rational number. It's an integer. But root 5 itself is an irrational number. We know that. So 2 minus root 5 as a whole will also become irrational number. Next is pi. Now pi is we know it's an irrational number. It's a best example for irrational number, and we know that already. Next is number 3, 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. Now 2 root 7 by 7 root 7, it looks like irrational because there are root 7 involved in it, but this root 7 and root 7 will cut off and the whole expression become 2 by 7. So this 2 by 7 is a rational number, though the root 7, the irrational numbers are involved, but still these will not put any effect in the whole thing. Next is 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2, here the root 2 being irrational and staying at the denominator of the expression, the whole thing will also be irrational. Next is 2 pi. Now 2 pi, it's a multiple of pi, and since pi being an irrational number, so 2 pi will also be irrational number. Any multiple of any irrational number is also an irrational number. Next is these two products. You can see these two products, 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2, the product between these two. So linearly done here. 3 is multiplied with 2 plus root 2, then root 3 is multiplied with 2 plus root 2, and the multiples are 3 into 2 6, then 3 into 2 3 root 2, and root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3, and root 3 and root 2 multiple to root 6. It's a simple linearly method, linear multiplication method. You know this. Next is this one. Now this one can also be done in linear method, but this one has a specialty, is that the numbers are same, like 3 root 3 and plus and minus. This gives us a plus b into a minus b. If I take 3 as a and root 3 as b, then it is a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b into a minus b is the identity, it's a formula. We know that the formula is a square minus b square. So we can use this formula to find the value directly. It is 3 square minus root 3 whole square, that is 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Now we are going to the sum. This is a geometrical sum. This is a drawing of root 9.3 on number line. Now how to do that, the process, it is a easy process. If you understand, it is very easy. So let's check it out. This is the drawing. This is the kind of drawing it will look like. Now I have chosen here root under 9.3. You can take any other number, so just keep it within 10, so that drawing becomes easy and also look good. So 9.3 it is, square root under 9.3 is a definitely irrational number. So we want to plot this irrational value into number line. So let's start. So at first what we have to do, okay, I will show you how to do it. I will show you the drawing of this, how to do. Before that, let me explain the steps. Once I will explain the step, after that I will show you the drawing. Okay, so first step is that we will take a line, we will draw a big line, then in that line we will cut out 9.3 centimeter and name it as AB. That means AB is the length of 9.3 centimeter. Then what we will do, from B we will extend the line by 1 centimeter. That means B to C drawn as 1 centimeter. That makes whole AC as 10.3 centimeter. 10.3 centimeter. Okay. Now we will bisect AC. We will bisect AC by using compass, and we use the compass to bisect the line AC, and the bisected point is O. O is the point where the bisector will pass through. I will show you how the bisection is done and the line is found over here. I'll show you that. So once the bisection is done, point O is found, then what we will do, we will take the radius AO. We will take the radius AO in the arc of a compass, and making O as the center, we will draw this semicircle. We will draw this semicircle making O as the center and AO as the radius. Then what we will do, then we will draw one perpendicular at the point B. At the point B, we will draw one perpendicular 90 degree and extend the line. We will draw the line, and that line will cut this semicircle over here at the point D. Then BD, the length BD will be your square root 9.3. Now once we take that length in our compass, in the compass arc, then we will cut from B, we will cut that length on this lumber line here, right here, and that's how we will get the value here BD 9 point by root under 9.3. This is how the drawing will be done. Now if you practice it, it is very easy. Now I will show you, but before that, before showing you the drawing, there is one homework given, root under 5.2. You can try with any other number, any other root under something value. You can try yourself. Okay, please practice. Now I'll show you the video. So at first we have to take a line whose length is 9.3 centimeter. Let's draw the line. Let's name it as A B. Then we have to extend this line AB by 1 centimeter exactly. 1 centimeter. Let's name this point as C. Now we have to bisect the line AC. Okay, to do that we have to take an arc of more than half of AC. Then we have to draw arc both up and down. Then we have to join the 2 points of the 2 arc intersection, and this line will give us a intersection point M. That means M is the midpoint of AC. Now we have to take the radius AM, and taking M as the center, we have to draw a semicircle. Draw the semicircle using M as center and AM as the radius. Now we have to draw 190 degree or perpendicular line at the point B. So we have to use the compass, or you can use the protractor also to do it, but using the compass would be the best one. Draw a 90 degree, usual 90 degree you have to draw. Okay, now we'll join the point B and the intersection point at the top, and we'll draw this line. Then we get a perpendicular line at B. So this is the 90 degree. Now we have to extend the line B. From B we have to extend the line from B, and from B we have to take this distance B to this point, the P point where the perpendicular intersected the semicircle, that BP. Take that length BP as the arc, and making B as the center, we have to draw another arc on the extended line. So this arc is intersecting at the point D. This new line BD will be length, will have the length of square root of 9.3 centimeter. Okay, so I hope you understood how it will be done. You have to practice it as much as possible so that you can draw it in exam smoothly. Now before ending this class, we will see into some other sums, and we will end the class. Okay, so quickly look into some other kind of sum. Now this is rationalization of denominators. If you don't know what is rationalization, you must know rationalization means if any term is given which is irrational, then we can rationalize that. The method is called rationalization. Now in this case, the two sums given 1 by root 7 and 1 by root 7 minus root 6, we have to rationalize the denominators of these two terms only. So for the first one, 1 by root 7, how it is to be rationalized? It's an easy one. Since it is root 7 given at the bottom, so we will multiply with root 7. This root 7 will be multiplied with root 7 at the denominator, but since there was no root 7 extra over here, means this root 7 was not there, so we, to compensate that, we will multiply with one more root 7 at the numerator. That means it's a simple multiplication of root 7 by root 7. By doing it, the denominators become 7, because root 7 into root 7 is 7. So numerator becomes root 7 and denominators become 7. Now here you have to see that the net expression, that the expression of 1 by root 7 has become root 7 by 7. Now remember, this is irrational and the final is also irrational, but what we have done, we have rationalized the denominators, which is the sum asking, that rationalize the denominator, don't care about the numerator. So by making the numerator irrational, we can make the denominator rational. Same sum, same thing is done over here. The number is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Now what we have done here, we have multiplied with root 7 plus root 6, up and down both. Doing so, you can see it is 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6, and here also root 7 plus root 6. That is multiplication of root 7 plus root 6 in up and down both. Now this multiplication is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, which will give you 7 minus 6 at the final line. It will be 1. That means root 7 plus root 6 will be remaining at the numerator, but denominator will be only 1, and it's a rational number. So once again, we are successfully we have successfully rationalized the denominator, but the numerator remain as the irrational. We cannot remove that. So these kind of sums are called rationalization. Now with the same process, with the same method, you can try these two sums, which is given as homework, root 7 minus 2, here root 5 plus root 2. Same method, just if it is plus given, multiply with minus, if it is minus given, multiply with plus, both up and down, and you get the value like this. Okay, I hope you understood the class and the topics today, and we'll see you next. Thank you.